Hello educators, in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the SDG Integration Tool. First, what are Sustainable Development Goals? The SDGs are 17 global goals designed to create a better and more sustainable world. They focus on important areas such as quality education, climate action, good health, gender equality, responsible citizenship, etc. Let me show you how it works. Log in into the AiTeacha platform, then log in as a teacher. So go to your teacher dashboard. On the teacher dashboard, you scroll down where you have all various tools you could use. Then click on the SDG Integration Tool. As you can see, just input your subject, English language. And one thing about English language, it covers all the 17 SDGs. Choose the grade. So I'm going for grade 8. Grade 8. Then upload your file. That's your lesson notes. So that the lesson notes has the topic. Okay. All right. Let's see. So the lesson plan, then you select SDG goals. So your topic depends on the SDGs. Here, you are allowed to select multiple SDGs. So because of my topic says non-fictional writing. So I'm going for the quality education, SDG 4. After that, scroll down a bit, then click on submit. We're waiting for it to generate. So look at the comprehensive response. Here are the activities you can use, activities you can embed in your lessons. So let's just scroll down. And after generating it, you can go through it. If you still want to edit with Zaira, you can edit with Zaira, our AI assistant. Don't forget to save to history, then export. You can download as Word document or download it as PDF. So with this SDG tool, you can make your lesson more engaging and relevant to the challenges the students face in this present world. Don't forget to sign up on the AiTeacha platform. For more inquiries, click on the link below. See you in the next video. Bye.